Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. Today is another Untool unboxing. Like I said, I've got a few to show you. I think this might be the last one actually, but I've just bought myself a Parweld XTT 202p from my friends at Welding Supplies Direct. You can find them online, and honestly they're absolutely brilliant. I'm not getting paid to do this, I bought it off my own back. Thought I'd just add that, and let's open it. Right, so let's have a look what we've got. So, this is exciting. So we've got just the standard regulator from these. Nothing to shout about, but it'll do the trick. Normally you want like a flow meter or something. Personally, I don't have one, so we'll make do with what we've got. And then we've got the WP26 Pro Torch. It's got the on-off button, high frequency. They've put a number 7 cap on there, and they've put a grey tungsten, I believe, in there. And so yeah, there's the torch. Got flex to it. I got the standard head, not the flexi head, because I haven't TIG welded before and I want to learn, so I thought start from the basics, so to speak. So we've got that. Now, oh, this is so exciting! Oh, there's my baby. 1 second. Box. There we go. There we go. Oh, we've got the welder itself. Whew. Alright, we'll open it up from the top. This is an AC/DC TIG welder. It's 200 amps, high frequency. It's also got the ability to do arc like most TIG welders. It's got hot start and a few different features which appeal to me because I do want to do arc. I haven't done it in a long time. So we got the instructions there. Pull this off. Wow, it's bigger than I thought it was. And oh, look at that. It's got that new welder smell. Alright. Let's look at something else we've got. So we've also got this, another box. And we'll go through this together so you can see what else I got. I also want to point out, I'm not going to show it, but I've got some filler wire here for aluminum, stainless, mild steel, and I've got some 7018s down there so I can burn some roots, so to speak. We've got a lot of packaging in here. I have got the Rhino TIG gloves, 2 pairs. I have also got the stinger lead. This is from Welding Direct as well, and first glance it actually looks like fairly alright stinger lead. I don't know if that's meant to push back, I don't know, but I'm sure I'll figure it out one way or another. So that's the stinger lead for it. See if we've got anything else. We've also got some ER3, are they? No? E3, sorry. E3 tungstens. We've got some different caps on there. Binzel something, gas cap, gas lenses, and all sorts. So, I don't think there's anything else in there, no. So that's that. Let's set it up, and my first ever time TIG welding, so let's see how this goes. So, what we're going to do now is set the welder up, get this all set up. Might speed it along a bit, but let's get the baby running. So I just put the plug on it, 16 amp, so if you haven't got a 16 amp that's a bit of a problem, but you can get 16 amp, it's not a big deal. Just going to Teflon tape it a bit, just to seal it up a bit, you know. These brass fittings are a bit actually I don't think the Teflon tape's a good idea. I can just leak test it afterwards anyway, so it's not a big deal. Bit more Teflon tape there, we'll remove that. So I just had to check a few things before I did something. I just wanted to make sure I was getting it in the right way. Like I said, I haven't TIG welded before. I'm not a master by any means if necessary. So what I'm just going to do is all these different cables, which I don't know where. All I know is gas goes onto there. And the cable goes into there. What that's for, I have completely no idea. I think that might be for, yeah, I think that's for the foot pedal or something. I think. Yeah. So we'll get this set up and then get some welding. So what do I think? I think it's a really well built welder. The earth clamp is good quality, the torch seems good quality, and that I'm terrible at TIG welding. Absolutely terrible. I was like, fire and I don't know, I was just having fun. So there's that, and I think it's really well built. This stinger, I don't know, they weren't something to it, so I couldn't get the buttons and I didn't know, and I keep saying a lot, and I was having problems with it, the stinger. I got some 7018s, tried AC and DC, I tried AC DC, and it was brilliant. The machine's brilliant, I'm not, so I'm going to get a lot practicing, but I really like it. And if you want one, go to Welding Supplies direct and tell Jamie I sent you, because this is a really well built machine and they're great there. So I'm really happy with this, and it's going to get a lot of use. I thought you'd all appreciate seeing it being opened and seeing it in some sort of use and be set up and so on and so on. It's really good, I really like it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. I've also got a competition on at the moment if I haven't hit 1,000 subscribers already. There's next videos and previous videos in the link in the description. There's also playlists, and check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram. All them links are in the description below. I think that's about it. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.